We use hand lotion and creams to soften our skins and reduce dryness. Typically, the formulation of a hand lotion consists of several components such as stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, glycerol, triethanolamine, lanolin, and usually a fragrance. Stearic acid is one of the most common long-chain fatty acids found in both natural animal and vegetable fats. It acts as a co-emulsifier and is often used to thicken the lotion. For lotions and creams, it is recommended to be used around 2 to 5% of stearic acid. Cetyl alcohol is a common ingredient in a variety of personal care products and cosmetics. It is derived from vegetable oils such as palm oil or coconut oil. It is used as an emulsifier, thickener, and surfactant. It has the ability to soften and smooth the scales of the skin. Glycerin or glycerol is a moisturizer. It is a sweet viscous liquid with three alcohol groups. Glycerol was first obtained as a byproduct of soap manufacture through the saponification of fats. Triethanolamine is common in moisturizers, shaving creams and gels, as well as sunscreen formulas. Its main use is to balance the overall pH of a product, but it also works as an emulsifier that helps products retain a more homogeneous appearance and to spread creams more evenly over the skin. Triethanolamine is also used in eyeliner, eyeshadow, makeup foundations, fragrances, as well as hair care products. Lanolin-based lotion absorbs quickly into most skin types and helps restore lost moisture. Chemically, lanolin consists of a mixture of several steroids, fatty acids, and their esters. Lanolin is a fatty substance found naturally in sheep's wool. It is also called wool wax. For making hand lotion, obtain stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, lanolin, triethanolamine, glycerol, and deionized water. Weigh 3 grams of stearic acid, 1 gram of cetyl alcohol, 2 grams of lanolin, and transfer into beaker 1. Add 1 ml of triethanolamine into the beaker. I already added 2 grams of lanolin. Dissolve the contents by placing in a water bath at 80 degrees Celsius. Use the beaker tongs to hold the beaker. Hold the beaker in a water bath until all the components have melted. Place 50 ml of water in beaker 2 and add 2 ml of glycerol into the beaker. Using the same tongs, heat beaker 2 in the same water bath to 80 degrees Celsius. While still warm, mix the contents of both beakers and mix well. Add 5 ml of ethanol into the mixture and stir again. Add a small amount of vanillin for fragrance. Continue to stir for 3 to 5 minutes until a smooth creamy lotion is obtained. You can place the sample in a warm water bath while stirring. Beaker D1 contains smooth creamy hand lotion. We repeated the experiment without triethanolamine as in D2. Triethanolamine helps products retain a more homogeneous appearance. Absence of triethanolamine, it cannot form smooth homogeneous mixture. In D3, we repeat the same experiment without stearic acid. Stearic acid acts as a co-emulsifier, is often used to thicken the lotion. In the absence of stearic acid, it cannot form a thickened hand lotion. Next, compare the pH of hand lotion with a commercially available one. The pH of commercially available one is between 6 and 7. Our D1 sample shows the pH as 7. D2 sample pH is around 5. And the D3 sample pH is around 9.